G'day, it's Kathleen here from Harcourts and Team Loyal. This morning I put my interviewer's hat on and I had the opportunity to speak to a few of our local brokers on what they're experiencing in the market at the moment. Watch on, I think you'll be very surprised by what they have to say. Caroline from Mortgage Choice, thanks so much for joining me here. I'd love for you to tell me what the positives are that you're experiencing in your industry at the moment.
So lots of people are actually having the time because they don't have to commute, or the meetings have become more efficient and everything's done online. They're actually having time to look at their interest rate and put time into refinancing their loan, and there's really attractive rates out there at the moment.
And they can combine that with a variable rate loan, so they get the flexibility of being able to have with a variable rate loan, offset accounts, making extra repayments at no cost, but also lock away a portion of that home loan so they guarantee their interest or guarantee their repayments for the medium term, which is excellent.
So it means that they're going to save some money, and a lot of people are actually looking at their living expenses and looking at where their money goes and where they can tighten up. The funny thing is, there's a lot of people coming back into the market, so people who are still gainfully employed, who have cash behind them and are ready to buy, they're seeing a massive opportunity. So they're actually getting their pre-approvals together so that they're in a position to go as soon as they see bargains coming up.
In terms of numbers and real facts, so 72% of our pre-approvals are actually going through contracts, as opposed to 6 months ago when it was only 22%.
So Michael, what is the type of buyer a bank will look favourably upon now?
If someone's in an essential service, if someone's working for Woolies, if someone's working as a tradie even, because tradies are still going, those sectors.
They're good buyers.
Yeah.
So tell me, Rob, have you seen any changes now that will stick long term in how you do your business?
There's a lot more banks are now allowing us to do this sort of thing, allowing us to do the video conferencing, are allowing us to do the identification where we don't have to do it face to face.
Have the banks spoken to you around lending parameters, and is there anything that a future buyer would need to be aware of now?
I think it's more employment stability. It's going to be case by case basis, and that's just the client being transparent with their broker, with their bank, and just saying this is the situation. But they're definitely not saying, look, we're not lending anymore. I think they're basically just looking into it.
So there you have it. The banks are still lending and buyers are still shopping. So if you need advice on how to enter the market, or perhaps you're preparing your home for sale, give us a call.
Have you done one of these before?
Yeah, all our meetings are Zoom now.
And you don't even really need to put pants on, just a business shirt and that's it.
Well, I'm in the office, so they can see me, so I have to put pants on.